Hi, I'm Meredith from Graco. I'm going to show you how to remove the lower anchor attachment from the storage location on your True3Fit LX 3-in-1 car seat. The lower anchor attachment is stored in the center of the bottom of the seat. To access it, first remove the infant body support. Undo the snaps at the front of the seat. Lift the seat pad up and out of the way. To remove the lower anchor connectors from storage, press down on the tab in front of the lower anchor connector. While pressing down on the tab, pull the strap towards you. Once the connector has cleared over the tab, continue to pull on the strap to remove the connector. Repeat the step on the other side. You can remove the excess slack out of the way in order to access the tab on the left side. Pull the strap out from under the storage bars in the center of the seat. Press on the gray button to extend the lower anchor strap. If installing in rear-facing mode, place the lower anchor strap through the rear-facing belt path by lifting up on the seat pad on the side of the seat. Push the connector through. Repeat the step on the other side. If your buckle is in the middle or innermost position, make sure the lower anchor strap is routed in front of it. If your buckle is in the outermost position, make sure the lower anchor strap is routed behind it. Make sure your strap lies flat and is not twisted. If installing in forward-facing mode, you'll need to move the lower anchor strap to the forward-facing belt path. Move both sides of your lower anchor strap to the center of the seat. Lift your headrest to the highest position. Remove your lower seat pad to access the lower anchor bar on the side of the seat. Take your lower anchor strap and slide it along the silver bar on the side of the seat. As you move the strap along the bar, move the seat pad out of the way. Continue to move the strap along the silver bar until you reach the top of the bar. Take the connector and route it behind the seat pad through the forward-facing belt path marked with the orange label. Do the same on both sides. Make sure that your strap lies flat and is not twisted. Once your lower anchor strap is in the correct belt path, place your seat pad back on the seat. Make sure your buckle goes through the same slot on the seat pad as it is in on the car seat. Move your harness straps in front of the seat pad and through the slots on the bottom of the seat pad. Make sure to replace all of your snaps. Move your top seat cover back into place and make sure to place the harness straps in front of it. If installing in forward-facing mode, make sure to remove your infant inserts. Move the headrest back to the proper position for your child. Now you're ready to install with lower anchor attachment.